The next business model on the list is SMMA. So it's basically selling services on the internet. Now, it depends on what you do, because if you are genuinely talented and skilled in something like a service, for example, you're great at building AI softwares or AI solutions, you're gonna make a lot of money. However, if you are just somebody who wants to be financially free, you want to make a lot of money, and you want to spend as little time as possible working, you are shooting yourself in the foot. Because not only is it extremely saturated, because Iman talked about it so much, and then everybody started it, so now it's completely saturated. It's filled with, like, the space is filled with 15 to 20-year-olds who've got no skills, and they think they can somehow sell services. So basically what you do all day is you're just spamming people, hundreds of DMs a day, hundreds of emails a day, in hopes somebody will pay you. You are a commodity. Not to mention, you don't build anything that serves you long term. You send 100 emails, and then what? Tomorrow you gotta wake up, do it all over again. Whereas when you build an audience, you make content, and you sell your own products, like he's doing, like all the smart ones are doing, your asset, your audience, grows over time, and it compounds. And the more it grows, and the less effort you need to put in. Whereas with services, you're always gonna be fighting for pennies, trying to beg people to convince them to work with you. I don't check my fucking DMs. If I want to get a video editor, I know where to find them. And I don't even have big accounts on social media. I've got 200 followers on Instagram, 5,000 something followers on YouTube, and I get dozens and dozens of DMs per day. Now imagine when you reach out to somebody with 20k followers, 100k followers, 1,000,000 followers, oh my god. So for this, it goes in C tier. It doesn't go at the bottom of the list, because there is something which is true about services. It's that they're high profit. But the downside is they're extremely unscalable. Unless you've got this gigantic team, it's gonna be a nightmare. Now, if you genuinely love it, let's say your passion is running ads, and you really want to do that as a service for other businesses, then do it. I'm not gonna stop you. But it would be much smarter to simply have a course about it. And maybe if you really love, like, doing it as a service, then you do it for a few businesses only, you charge a lot, like 10,000 plus a month, and then you get to do what you love, and also have a community which makes you a lot of money. Like, we're talking hundreds of thousands a year, even per month. So clearly, services are not an efficient use of your time, especially for somebody who wants to have freedom, because you are an employee. The boss is not your boss, it's just a customer. It's the same. Not to mention, self-employed people pay a lot of taxes. It is not worth it. And if you're serious about making money online, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment on this video. You'll get access to my private school community and program, where I'm teaching people just like you how they can monetize their passion or interests with digital products. It's literally the business model all the gurus are doing, even the ones who tell you to do dropshipping or all these other things. And it's made me thousands of dollars a day. And I am personally gonna show you everything step by step. So click the link in the description below and join today.